Good morning. It's Simon at the video of the day. I invented something completely new. It's called you have the stand-up comic. Me, I'm a sitting down or sitting comic. So I'm gonna do sitting down, improvise comedy. Puis I can prove that I'm sitting down. I don't know if do you see it? The bench. It's a bench. En tout cas, whoop, ici, là. Bon, OK. So, let's improvise the first in the world try of sitting down comedy. Let's pretend I am at the Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon. Ellen Generous is jealous. Conan the Barbarian is Sense Spice. Puis Steve Harvey, jealous too. Puis who's left? The cutie, là, do cooking. Puis de Hélène, Steve, de cutie. Jimmy, Seth Meyers, jealous too. So, I have a public member that's passing by. I will wait because I'm not yet famous. So, the other day I was walking around. I met a lady, and she said, "Bonjour, are you Mr. Simon Boulanger?" J'ai dit, "Yes, madame." J'ai dit, "Are you police?" She stopped laughing. She showed me her gun, puis she said, "No, I'm undercover." J'ai dit, "Madame," j'ai dit, "Miss, where is your badge? And you can try to find it." So I said, "Honey, I don't want to blow your cover, but I can kiss you." Là, she slapped me in the face. J'ai dit, I'm gonna take a lawyer, make a lawsuit against you, the city of San Jose, the state of California, the federal government, the NATO, and the United Nations. She said, "You cannot." She said, "I'm a federal agent." Ben, j'ai dit, "As a federal agent, do you receive your food for the shakedown?" Elle dit, "What, the shakedown?" J'ai dit, "Madame, don't pretend you're not undercover." Puis, elle dit, "You're talking about the shutdown." Ben, j'ai dit, "C'est ça, madame. The shakedown." Puis, elle dit, "No, I'm starving at the moment." J'ai dit, "Is love sufficient?" Alors, after she tried to recruit me, elle dit, "Monsieur Boulanger, you're somebody easy to flush. We just have to say, just say you it, just say this kid. Puis, I want to recruit you, but you're not supposed to find it out." Ben, j'ai dit, "Madame," j'ai dit, "Don't worry, là, I believe strongly that you're undercover." Alors, elle dit, finally, she passed by after showing me her bra, across your hard bra. Puis, she said, "I'm gonna report you for sexual touching." Ben, j'ai dit, "Madame, report me." Elle dit, "It's worth it." Bon. Alors, I continue my walk. I pass near a federal building. Puis, I knock at the door. J'ai dit, it was locked. Puis, there was like a button. So, I press on the button. Puis, I speak in the speaker. Je dis, "Allô, allô, c'est Simon, c'est Simon. Allô, 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 c'est Simon, c'est Simon. Allô, c'est Simon." Bon, alors, sécurité, garde open. Je dis, "What are you doing there? I'm gonna report you." J'ai dit, "To the sexy lady with cross your hard bra undercover." Alors, he said, "No, you're confused. I'm gonna report you confused." Ben, j'ai dit, "Wait, I look confused on Facebook too." Elle dit, "What's that, Facebook?" Oh, j'ai dit, "Oh non, they're all Google, they're all from Canada." Ooh. So, I said, "Mister, I come here because I'm not a federal employee, so I'm allowed the food stamp because I'm trying to become an American, but yet I am not." He said, "You're too confused, I call the police." So, j'ai dit, "I'm not afraid of anything. I'm a good person, I don't break the law. So, I will wait for the police." So, the police arrive. Oui, 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 oui. Bon, j'ai dit, hello, sir. I'm a person who follow the law. Are you going to arrest me? He said, you're arrogant. It's a crime to offend the police. Ben, j'ai dit, I just saw her bra, and it was cross your heart. He said, là, I was handcuffed on the hood of the car. Puis, il dit, we're gonna jail you to go back to Canada. Là, j'ai dit, my God, is this the only way? Puis he said, that was my wife, she's undercover, and you're blowing her cover. Ben, j'ai dit, sir, it was only that, là. I didn't do more than that, là. Alors, en rêve de Jay. J'ai dit, allô, c'est Simon. Everybody knew me there. Allô, Simon, comment ça va? You're not in Canada? Ben, j'ai dit, non, I prefer the United States. Là, they all went, oh. Ben, j'ai dit, c'est un problème, is it a Canadian jail, eh? Là, il dit, ben, we're all undercover. So I went in the room, puis I went naked, not by my own doing, puis to see if I was smuggling drug like Clint Eastwood in the movie. Ben, j'ai dit, I'm not Clint Eastwood. Puis là, il said, I'm gonna report you, you're too arrogant. Ben là, j'ai dit, I'm already in the jail. J'ai dit, I'm already in the jail. Alors, I went in a cell, puis there was other bodies, puis là, they were in a round, puis là, they were talking. J'ai dit, you're making a party to exchange information about the security person in jail? Puis là, le gars, il tourne me, il dit, just say, he's a kid, just say knew it. So I was stuck there. Puis, c'est ça. Alors, many months later, I was walking in the van to finish my long story by a short joke. Puis I see the sexy lady arriving, she was crying a lot. She was crying a lot. J'ai dit, bonjour mademoiselle, c'est Simon. I'm the one who saw you cross your bras. Puis là, elle a dit, I'm so lonely, I'm so lonely, I'm so lonely. Ben, j'ai dit, madame, j'ai dit, I can kiss you and marry you. Puis là, after she showed her badge, j'ai dit, oh, you got me. So that was my first try of sitting down comedy. I invented it. It's the first time in the world it's done. Puis I don't know if I will become rich with that, but I don't know anybody else who call themselves sitting down comics. So it's one first try. So before having too much public who don't want me to do something interesting, I will close the vote.